Quick question. What if a guy selling productivity hacks from his garage? Your friend who suddenly became a finance guru on TikTok, and that one coworker who won't stop posting inspirational quotes have in common? They all swear they found the secret to success. And maybe they have. But what if that's not your version of success at all? Let's be real. Most of us are out here chasing someone else's idea of success. You were told to get good grades, land a stable job, buy a house, and post vacation photos like you love the grind. But what if all that isn't it? What if success isn't about income, but impact, or peace, or time, or the fact that you no longer cry in traffic at 7:45 a.m.? Maybe it was sold to you in school. Maybe it was shaped by your parents. Or maybe you just kind of fell into it because everyone else seemed to be doing it. But here's the deal. If you don't define success for yourself, someone else will do it for you. And their definition usually comes with burnout, credit card debt, and weird motivational mugs. You're chasing a success that was never yours. Let me ask you a hard question. Whose version of success are you chasing? Is it the mansion on Instagram? The luxury car your cousin just financed? The six-figure salary your parents always talked about? Here's the truth no one says out loud. Most people are chasing someone else's dream, and it's slowly killing their motivation, peace, and purpose. They hit milestones that feel empty. They check off goals that don't mean anything. They get applause for a life they don't even enjoy. And worst of all, they never take the time to define what success actually looks like for them. If you don't define success on your terms, someone else will do it for you, and chances are you won't like the bill. This video isn't about how to get rich in 30 days. It's not a motivational speech wrapped in fluff. It's a guide, a direct, no-nonsense guide to help you understand why the traditional success formula doesn't work anymore. Define what success means to you personally. Build a real-world action plan based on your values, not just money or status. This is for people who are done being busy and still feeling empty, because success isn't about more, it's about alignment. So by the end of this video, you'll walk away with your own personal success blueprint, not society's. Quick disclaimer. This video is not financial or psychological advice. It's based on real-life experience and proven frameworks to help you reflect, reset, and take ownership of your life. You are responsible for how you apply the ideas shared. So always reflect, adapt, and take action that fits your unique journey. Part 1. Define success on your terms. It's time to rewrite the rules. Let's get this clear. Success is personal. It's not a fixed destination. It's not a universal standard. And it's definitely not something Instagram can define for you. True success is about alignment, living in a way that reflects your deepest values, priorities, and vision for life. And here's the best part. You have the right to define success for yourself, even if it looks nothing like anyone else's version. So let's break down how to create your own definition, clearly, confidently, and without apology. First, unlearn what success should look like. Let's start by clearing the noise. Grab a piece of paper or a blank doc and ask yourself, what messages have I absorbed about success that never felt right to me? Maybe it's success means climbing the corporate ladder. Success means making six figures or more. Success means being busy, important, or always working. Success means marriage, kids, and a house by 35. Now ask, whose definition is that? Is it your parents' dream? Society's pressure? Your school system? The influence you follow? You can respect them and still reject their model. Because you weren't born to copy. You were born to create. This is your first act of freedom. Second, ask yourself the real success questions. Forget the cliches. Let's go deeper. Take 5 to 10 minutes with each of these. What kind of life would make me proud when I'm 80? What would I do if no one ever judged me for it? What energizes me naturally, even when it's hard? What kind of problems do I want to solve every day? What do I want to be remembered for? These questions aren't about fantasy. They're about focus. They help you filter what's meaningful and what's just noise. Third, define success in your own words. Now that you've cleared the clutter, Let's write your definition. You can use this format to help you. Success for me means living a life where I blank, while staying true to blank and feeling blank. Examples. Success for me means living a life where I control my time, help others grow, and feel peaceful doing it. Success means being debt-free, working remotely, and having time to coach my kids' sports teams. Success is building a small online business that supports my freedom, creativity, and travel. No filters, no rules, just your truth. Write it, say it out loud, own it. Fourth, make peace with unpopular goals. Some of you watching this might realize you don't want to be rich, you just want freedom. You don't want to be famous, you want peace. You don't want a mansion, you want a cabin with Wi-Fi and coffee. You don't want hustle, you want harmony. And that's okay. Real success isn't loud, it's authentic. So give yourself permission to want what you want. You don't need external approval to live an internally aligned life. If you're still not sure, try this. If you're struggling to define it, do this. List 5 people you admire deeply, not just what they do, but how they live. List what they have in common: values, lifestyle, energy. Highlight what resonates most. Use that to shape your own definition. Success leaves clues, especially in what you're drawn to naturally. Part 2. Build your personal success plan. It's time to live what you just defined. So now you've done what most people never do. You've unlearned outdated ideas of success. You've clarified what truly matters to you. You've created a definition that aligns with your values. But here's where most people stop. They get clarity, and then they go back to their routine. Don't let your definition become a Pinterest quote. Turn it into a plan. Let's walk through a simple framework to build a life that reflects your version of success, day by day. First, break down your success into 3 core pillars. Take your success statement from part 1 and split it into 3 main areas. Vision, what do I want my life to look like? Values, what's non-negotiable for me? Vehicle, how will I create it? Let's break each one down. 1. Vision, what does success actually look like? Don't overthink it. Just describe your ideal life in detail. Ask, what does a typical day look like? What kind of work am I doing? Who am I spending time with? What kind of energy do I feel day to day? Write it out. Visualize it. You can even voice record or create a simple vision board. This becomes your North Star. 2. Values. What matters most? These are the 3 to 5 principles you refuse to compromise on. Examples: freedom over status, time with family over money, health over hustle, creativity over conformity, purpose over praise. These values are what keep your version of success honest. Because if you build success without your values at the center, you'll still feel empty. 3. Vehicle. What will get you there? Here's where we get practical. Ask yourself, what actions, skills, or systems will move me toward my vision? Your vehicle might include building a digital business that lets you control your time, learning high-income skills like writing, editing, or coaching, scaling back your hours to spend more time with family, investing steadily so you can afford to walk away later, leaving toxic environments that drain you. The key, start where you are, with what you have, and build slowly. Success isn't a leap, it's a direction. Second, design a weekly success ritual. Here's how to stay aligned without feeling overwhelmed. Create a simple weekly check-in process. Reread your success statement every Monday. Review your top 3 values. Ask, what's one thing I can do this week to move closer to that life? It could be saying no to a request that doesn't fit your priorities, scheduling 2 hours to build your side project, going for a walk to clear your head, learning a skill that gives you more options later. Small, repeated actions beat giant, unsustainable changes. Third, accept that success will evolve. You're not a statue. Your definition of success will evolve as you grow, and that's okay. Revisit it every 3 to 6 months. What still resonates? What feels outdated? What needs to shift? Let your definition grow with you. This is not a one-time decoration. It's a living compass. Build what freedom means to you. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. You do not need permission to live life on your terms. You only need a definition and the discipline to live by it. The world is loud, but clarity is power. And the people who are happiest and wealthiest aren't the ones chasing everything. They're the ones chasing only what matters to them. So define it, build it, and live it, not someday. Now, your version of success is valid, and starting today, it's yours to claim. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and finish the sentence. My version of success looks like, let's make it real, not just an idea. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. And hey, if you're ready to build a life that actually fits you, not your boss, not your feed, not your neighbor with the 3 cars you can't afford, hit subscribe, because this channel is all about designing freedom on your own terms.